Hey there! So, let's dive into a problem many programmers might encounter. In this case, the issue lies in the code provided, where a function call results in an error regarding the lookup of a function. The problem specifically arises when passing arguments of built-in types like integers to a templated function. When the function tries to invoke another function based on the argument type, it fails to find the function for fundamental types due to Argument-Dependent Lookup (ADL) rules. In the solution to this problem, the key lies in understanding how ADL works. When it comes to fundamental types, such as integers, the associated set of namespaces and classes for ADL is empty. This absence of associations causes the lookup to fail for functions like func2 int. However, in the case of user-defined types like the struct s, the associated set includes the innermost enclosing namespaces, allowing the compiler to locate and call the corresponding function func2s successfully. In summary, when dealing with ADL and templated functions, it's crucial to keep in mind the distinction between fundamental and user-defined types in C++. While ADL works effectively for user-defined types due to their associated namespaces, it falls short for fundamental types, leading to lookup errors. And with that, we wrap up our explanation. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your thoughts on this quirky C++ behavior.